find customers who placed orders only in 2023. So I have two data sets. One is customers table, another one is orders table. And we have to find customers who placed orders only in 2023. So in the orders table, you have order ID, customer ID, order date, order amount, and status, whether it is completed or pending. And in the customers table, you have customer ID, name, email address, phone, address. And the output should look something like this. It should have customer ID, it should have name, and it should have just email address. The three information from primarily customer table only. Let's write the solution. I have this customers table and I have orders table. All right. So let me write the first solution where I will be using not in. Okay. So I'll start with, first I will start with writing, I will be selecting all those distinct customer IDs who did not order in 2023. So how will I do it? I will first of all select, I will write select distinct o dot customer underscore ID. I'm just giving an alias of O. First of all, let me write from O. Okay, and yeah, this is it. And then I will write a where condition where I will extract the year from O dot order underscore date is not equal to 2023. Okay, now let's see what happens here. Okay, it should be orders, not order. And let me run this. So I have two customer IDs 2 and 4 which did not order in 2023. Okay, now I will write an outer query, select from customers where, and I will give this an alias C where C dot customer ID not in, and then I will include this entire thing in parenthesis. Okay, and I will select rest of the columns as well. C dot customer underscore ID comma C dot name comma C dot email. Okay, let's run this and we got the answer. We have customer ID, name, and the email address of those customers which ordered in 2023. Okay, now we will see how to write the same solution using another keyword not exists. So for that I will write select one from orders, and I'll give it an alias of O where orders where C dot customer underscore ID equal to O dot customer ID. Okay, and year I will extract year from O dot order date not equal to 2023. Okay, this is the inner query that I have written, and I will include this entire thing into a parenthesis. And as you must have guessed already, I'm going to use customers table here, and I will give it an alias of C, and I will mention rest of the column names C dot customer ID comma C dot name comma C dot email. Okay, where not exists. Okay, now let me run this query and it gave me the same answer. The not exist clause ensures that there is no matching record existing in the order table where the year is not 2023, and then the query checks for the presence of such records and excludes the customers if any are found. Okay, one of the pros of this approach is that it handles a null value gracefully, avoiding or ensuring that null is not present, unlike in not in condition, and typically it is more efficient than not in for larger data set. But as I said, the drawback of this approach is it is slightly harder to understand for beginners compared to not in. Now I will show you one more approach of writing the same solution where I will be using left join and is null. Okay, we can write the same solution using left join and is null. Let me remove this solution, and first of all I will write the select from customers, and I will give it an alias of C, and I will do a left join, and I will start a parenthesis. Here I will write select distinct o dot customer underscore ID from orders O where year O dot order date not equal to 2023. Okay, and I will write the on condition on C dot customer ID equal to O dot, or I will just simply name this something else, this non 2023 orders. Okay, then I will use the same name non 2023 dot customer underscore ID. Okay, now where non 2023 orders dot customer underscore ID is null. Okay, so I will pick everything from the left table first. My left table is customers table, so customer underscore ID comma C dot name comma C dot email, and let me run this code, and it gave me the same answer. Okay, the left join can be used to identify the customers with orders outside 2023 by joining it on customer ID. The where non 2023 orders dot customer ID is null clause ensures that only customers without such orders are included. Okay, so one of the positive points of this approach is that it is easy to understand when you are visualizing the joins, performs well with appropriate indexing, but but this process can be slower than not exists for larger data set due to the join operation. Okay, now let me write one more way of finding the same solution using group by and having. So I've selected this entire thing. I will remove this and just write select C dot customer underscore ID comma C dot name comma C dot email from customers C. I will customers C, sorry, join orders O on C dot customer ID equal to o dot customer ID. Here I will do a group by c dot customer ID comma c dot name comma c dot email. Okay, having count of distinct year o dot order underscore date equal to 1 and max of year o dot order underscore date equal to 2023. Let me run this, and we got the same solution. So what happens here is groups this entire thing groups order by customer ID and checks the count of distinct year order equal to 1 to ensure that the order exists only in 1 year. Okay, first of all, this condition checks that the order exists only in 1 year, and the max of order date, max of year of order date equal to 2023 ensures that the year is 2023 only. One of the positive side of this approach is that there is no subquery, making it straightforward with proper indexing. It works well when combined with indexing on customer ID. But the negative side of this approach is it is slightly more complex due to the use of having and aggregate functions. And the performance depends on the size of dataset and the number of distinct years. Okay. Now there is one last approach that I would like to show you, or maybe second last approach that I would like to show you using CTEs, common table expressions. So let me write that solution as well. Let me quickly remove this. First of all, I'll write the CTE. So with customer underscore years as, I will start the parenthesis. I will write select o dot customer underscore ID. And first let me write the orders o group by o dot customer underscore ID comma year o dot order underscore date. Okay, now I will write the same number of columns over here as well. O dot order underscore date as order underscore year. Okay, so if I run this entire thing, select star from customer years, let's see what we get. We get customer ID and which all years they have made any purchase. Okay, now I will use customers table, customers, and I will give it an alias of C. One second, C, and then I will write where condition, where C dot customer ID not in select customer underscore ID from customer years. I'm using the CT here, where order year is not equal to 2023. Okay, let me run this, and we got Right now, since I have written select star, that's why it is selecting everything from the customers table, but we can select the first 3 columns as well. Okay. So what's happening here is the CTE groups orders by customer ID and the year, and it creates a list of customers with respective order years. Okay. The main query filter over here is the customer ID which have not ordered in 2023 over here, and since I'm using a not in clause over here, so it flips the condition. Okay, so it will select all those customer IDs which have ordered in 2023. Performance wise, it is slightly worse due to the additional setup of creating a CTE, slightly more verbose also, because there are direct solutions as well. Now one last approach I can show you for writing the solution here. Select, I will be using distinct with nested queries. Okay, so how I will do it: select distinct c dot customer underscore ID comma c dot name comma c dot email from customers C, where c dot customer underscore ID in, I will write a nested query here, subquery over here, select customer underscore ID from orders O, where year O dot order underscore date equal to 2023. Okay, and then I will write another condition, and c dot customer ID not in, I will write the same condition again, but with not equal to 2023 clause. I will select this part, Control C, paste it over here. I'll put a not equal to sign and make sure that the condition is enclosed within the parenthesis. Now let me run this query. Okay, and it gave me the same answer. So what's happening here is the first subquery selects the customer with orders in 2023, and the second subquery excludes the customer with order outside 2023. Okay. One of the positive side is it is simple and clear logic. It is having a simple and very clear logic, but the drawback is it requires 2 subqueries which may impact performance. All right. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Hope it was useful. Follow me for more such contents. Thank you.